Some have used rangoli and
Now all this material that is used is how you have used.
they have used only natural material. They have not bought anything, no artificial material, only natural.
The Balika Manch of St. Thomas Girls High School has organized a Rangoli competition for students from class 5th to the 10th. We have a number of 48 students who are participating in this competition, and we chose to use earth colors all from nature, material all from nature, nothing to be bought. And the topic that we took, being the occasion of Diwali, we took the topic of the Ponti.